In this video we are going to reinstall the 3 amplifiers that were taken out and sent out to be rebuilt, and these are amplifiers for the A-105 Hammond organ that we've made all these videos about. The amplifiers are the same as the amps you would find in a B3 or a C3, the only difference being the third one, which goes over here on the left, is the Reverb Amp, and Reverb is something that wasn't available on those other models. And what we're showing you here is when we took the amps out, we were very careful to label all the connections. We did our best to leave the wires laying exactly in the order that they were in, so that we don't have to remember where to put everything. There's the wires for the Reverb Amp. Now in the A100 models, the preamp is mounted upside down on the shelf underneath the tone generator. This is the tone generator up here, and it mounts upside down, and all of these wires connect to the connections on the preamp. Again, you can see we went through and labeled these where needed. Obviously you see down here on the end the wire colors are very unique: green, brown, red, blue. That's pretty straightforward until we get over here, and then we've got 2 yellows, so those needed to be identified. And then some additional cabling here that connects to the preamp. We left them hang where they are. There's a brown wire here for the preamplifier, and then we've got some more connections here that go to the preamplifier, and then down here some of the power wires that go into the preamplifier. Again, what we're going to do is we're going to bring that amp out and we're going to mount it where it goes upside down, and then make all the terminations with it mounted. Down here in the lower right hand corner is where the main amplifier goes, and that's at A039. And again, we've left the wires laying in the order that we took them out. Here's the plug that goes into the left side of the amplifier once it's mounted here in place, and again we've numbered them. The other thing that we did that we recommend you do if you're going to take out any of these amplifiers is take lots and lots of pictures. We took plenty of pictures prior to removal so that we could see exactly where the wiring went. We zoomed in nice and close. The third thing you do to ensure that your reconnection is going to go properly is go ahead and we made diagrams. So here's a diagram of the preamplifier, again showing all the wiring, what connects where, and it shows our numbering system that matches the numbers that we put on the wires themselves. So between the pictures before removal, the labeling of the wires, and the schematic diagrams, it should be pretty simple to put this back together. You must have little dog accompaniment whenever working on these organs.